Look at that.
They appear suddenly over people's houses, military bases, and even over the sea. Strange, bright, and loud objects. Some resemble drones, others are much larger.
What I'm seeing with the naked eye, you can see it's not a normal aircraft. And we don't have this much, traffic, usually on any given night in this area. So it seems like definitely some of them are aircraft that we can't explain what they are.
Concerned Americans ask, is this an attack by foreign agencies, such as the Iranians or Chinese, or perhaps an alien civilization?
We've now examined some 5,000 different sightings. We've added detection capabilities, additional observers. As you and I stand here today, to date, our assessment is that this is lawful, legal, commercial, hobbyist, and even law enforcement aircraft activity.
But American citizens, and many experts among them, simply don't buy such an explanation after what they have seen with their own eyes and in the media.
One of them got up there and said, I had 2 automobile-sized drones hovering over my house, and they're making a lot of noises as opposed to a jet plane a very long distance away.
President-elect Donald Trump, unlike Joe Biden, is taking the threat very seriously.
Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, they happen to be over Bedminster. Want to know the truth? They're very close to Bedminster. I think maybe I won't spend the weekend in Bedminster. I've decided to cancel my trip.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
Under Trump's previous presidency, recordings of military pilots who encountered an unidentified flying object were revealed. Unidentified until now. Now a civilian pilot talks about his flight 3 days ago. This is his conversation with the air traffic control tower.
Moving at extreme speeds. I don't even know how to describe how fast he's moving.
You are cleared to maneuver as necessary, left and right, to avoid the UFO out there.
That was the one that was at our altitude that would come up to us and sit for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then it would go back out over the ocean, over the horizon.
Serious accusations are being made against the US government in the US media.
The government claims it's not them. They say it's not them. So who is it? We're not being told the truth. They are dealing with the American public like we're stupid.
Joe Biden and our governor, Phil Murphy, are taking the same laissez-faire approach to this as they do to the border and the threat of illegal immigration. Let's get our act together here.
Desperate residents are organizing. Some have taken up arms and are shooting at the objects hovering over their homes.
It's reached a point of almost insanity. You think about a United States senator come in and answer questions.
The strange phenomena were first only seen in New Jersey, now in several states, including Washington, Pennsylvania, Georgia, and Maryland.
So we've usually not been too forward-looking about defending our own territory. And when we have talked about it in the last 25 years, it's been more about missile defense against long-range, high-speed ballistic missiles as opposed to unmanned aircraft.
Many Americans now keep an eye out for drones or extraterrestrial objects in the sky every night. Curiosity mixes with fear, and the lack of reliable information from the government causes conspiracy theories to multiply.